To determine if being an Uber driver is worth it in Australia in 2025, we need to consider several factors. First, let's look at the requirements to become an Uber driver. You must be at least 21 years old, have a valid full driver's license, and have access to a vehicle that meets Uber's requirements. Next, let's consider the earning potential. Uber's pricing varies depending on the city, time of day, and demand. On average, Uber drivers in Australia can earn between $20 and $30 per hour. However, this amount can increase during peak hours, such as Friday nights and weekends. Another factor to consider is the costs associated with being an Uber driver. You will need to pay for fuel, maintenance, and insurance for your vehicle. You will also need to pay a service fee to Uber, which is typically around 20% of your earnings. To maximize your earnings as an Uber driver, it's essential to work during peak hours and in areas with high demand. You should also maintain a high rating to increase your chances of getting more rides and earning more money. In terms of benefits, being an Uber driver provides flexibility and autonomy. You can choose when and how much you want to work, making it an excellent option for those who want to supplement their income or have a side hustle. However, there are also some drawbacks to consider. As an Uber driver, you will be required to work long hours, including nights and weekends. You will also be responsible for maintaining your vehicle and dealing with difficult passengers. Overall, whether being an Uber driver is worth it in Australia in 2025 depends on your individual circumstances and priorities. If you value flexibility and autonomy and are willing to work hard, being an Uber driver can be a lucrative and rewarding opportunity. However, if you are looking for a traditional 9-to-5 job with benefits and job security, being an Uber driver may not be the best fit for you. To make an informed decision, it's essential to weigh the pros and cons and consider your own needs and goals. You should also research and understand Uber's policies and requirements to ensure that you are prepared for the challenges and opportunities that come with being an Uber driver.